1st of Feb, along with the Union budget, the 16th Finance Commission released its report. And it has made a historic decision. For the next 5 years, India's cities will receive 3.56 lakh crore. This is more than double what they received earlier. And for the first time ever, cities will receive 45% of total local government grants. This is a clear recognition that India's future is urban. The funding comes in 4 parts. The larger share, basic grants. Half of the basic grants are tied. This means that the cities must use them for core services like water, sanitation and solid waste management. The other half are untied. This means cities get to decide where to spend the money based on local needs. The second, performance grants. Half of this grant depend on cities improving their own source revenue by 5% annually. The other half is dependent on state transferring or matching grants of at least 20% of Finance Commission's basic grants from their own resources to local governments. Both conditions are designed with a common intent to strengthen the financial independence of city governments. Then the third, a special infrastructure component of 56,100 crore. This is focused on improving wastewater and drainage system in 22 developing cities to tackle poor sanitation and flooding. And finally, the fourth, the urbanization premium of 10,000 crore. This supports cities that are absorbing rapidly growing peri-urban villages, helping them expand in a planned way. By 2031, more than 40% of India will live in cities. If this money is used well, it can mean better drainages, cleaner streets, more reliable water, and a stronger local governance. It can mean a city that actually works for its citizens. The 16th Finance Commission has created an opportunity. Now it's up to the states to transfer these funds fully and on time. It's up to the city governments to use this efficiently. It's up to the citizens to ask for better results. Because a better funded city is not just about infrastructure, it is about better quality of life. And what can happen next can shape the future of urban India.